Okay, so I'm pretty shocking then. Okay, we're gonna check out Shopkins today. In my list, my mum got her 2 lists, and I've got my list. And here's all the Shopkins you can get. I've got special Shopkins under my table. This is not really my table. I'm gonna put that. Okay, so this is Donatella's Donut Delights. You can see that's Donatella there, and that's the little donuts, and this is her donut car. She looks so cute. Okay, onto the Shopkins. Shopkin piano. Okay, this Shopkin is.
What is she?
I think he's in stationery.
Gale Scales.
Gale Scales. This Shopkin is.
Oh, Gale Scales. Shall I show you Gale Scales? See if this works. There she is.
This Shopkin is.
Oh, that must be a bakery one.
It's a bakery one.
Breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs is here. The breadcrumbs there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So put breadcrumbs here then.
Breadcrumbs is one of my favourite, and they're all really my favourite. This one is. What is it?
Let's have a look. Show the camera, and then I'll be able to tell you. No, the Shopkin, Freya. Is it Cookie Nut?
I think it's Cookie Nut.
Show everybody Cookie Nut, then hold it forward.
It's Cookie Nut.
Put your hand behind it. There's Cookie Nut. Okay. And what do you have next? Show the camera, then I'll look for the name. Oh, now that one is part of your ballet set, isn't it?
So it's not on the list.
So put it by your ballet piano. That's a good girl. It's a little bag, isn't it?
Yeah, this is Donatella's bag. Let me just put it on her.
Oh, if she stays standing up.
Of course you will.
Yay!
Okay. Oh, you're my princess. Now Donatella's princess.
Oh, tiara, isn't it?
It's a tiara.
It doesn't show us the camera then with your hand behind. Doesn't tiara come with something you can sit her on?
Yeah.
A little stool.
I can't find that.
Is it in the top one? It's in the top tray.
Top tray. Okay.
There you go. Put it by the piano then, because she came with the piano. This is the ballet set, isn't it?
Yeah, but on the piano is the ballet set. Let me show you something on this. All ones have like all little details. And have you noticed they have like Shopkin signs on them?
Oh.
Teeny Shopkin signs. And this is Lippy. I pretend she's a lipstick. I know her name's Lippy. Silly me.
And she came with the ballet set, didn't she? Her name's Lippo, isn't it?
Lippo. Yeah.
Oh, and that's one basket done. And where'd you get those baskets from?
I got them from Shopkin cart things.
Oh, they come with 2 Shopkins in.
Yep.
Well, what we got next?
We've got.
What's it? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a kettle. Is it Mar Kettle?
Yeah, it's from season 2. It's from season 2.
Oh, wow.
And there's a little Shopkin sign.
Yeah, show us Mar Kettle then with your hand behind. Ooh.
I think I'd really hold it there.
You can use that later, make me a cup of tea.
That's not a ballet one. Season 2.
Okay, what's next?
No, this is from here.
Oh.
This is one of Donatella's donuts.
Is that a donut?
Yeah, it's not on the list.
It's not on the list, so it's part of the Donatella set, is it? Is it like Daisy Donut or something? Oh! Want to go with the little ones?
Is she okay?
She's fine.
Let me just...
Oop! Donatella!
Can you help me here?
I can't, I got the camera.
I'll put that there.
Put that there, pick Donatella up.
I'll pick Donatella up.
She's a bit top heavy, isn't she?
Yeah, I think we should put
Go on then, put it down there.
Viewing later.
Okay.
I really don't like this headband.
I know you don't. And if you drop some Shopkins on the floor, where's Ma Kettle gone? She's gone to make me a cup of tea.
I think so. No, she's down here.
Go on then,
Hello, you're my best friend now. You're my best friend now.
Yay, you found her. Put it up next to the breadcrumb.
Is this one first or is this one first?
Oh yes. Lovely. Well done. And what we got next?
We've got Big Topper. Can you tell us this Big Topper?
I think it is. Is it a Petkins? It is Big Toppin.
I call it Big Topper. I don't know why.
Big Toppin. There you go.
This is. I think I should put like the Gale scale somewhere.
Come on, tell us some more. What other ones have you got? Oh, it's a Shopkins bag.
I've got this.
What's that? Oh, Daisy Donut, isn't it?
Yes, Daisy Donut.
And that goes in the Donatella Donut Delight stall.
Now I gotta do this. And that and everything that.
There, well done. Lovely.
Okay.
And what we got next?
We've got
Wendy Wedge.
Wendy Wedge. She's a season 2. Always like lovely season 2s.
Mhm.
And she has the Shopkins sign somewhere.
Does she?
Shopkins sign. Here she is.
Lovely, Wendy Wedge.
Oh, I'm so posh. Wendy Wedge. And these two go together, so I'm going to review them together. Teeny and tiny, they're not on the list.
What are they? Ballet shoes.
Yeah.
Teeny and tiny.
Oodity tiny.
Put them by the ballet. We put them on the stool, yeah?
Yeah.
Did the piano come with
Yeah, it did.
the big piano come with the set, did it?
Yeah, so that's why they're there. Down in the other cart.
What's next?
This is
Music box.
music box.
And what
And
set did that come with?
That came with a ballet set. I can't find the little logo.
That's okay. Display with the ballet set then.
Oh, there's a little logo.
Ooh.
What's this one?
Tutu, isn't it?
I think it's Tutu pink. Tutu. I think it's Tutu. Here's Tutu.
Ballet dress, is it?
Yes. She looks.
See.
La Lucy.
Put it down then by your
Okay.
ballet set. They're all pink, gold and red, aren't they? And white.
And gold.
Yeah. It's a lovely set.
Now this one's on the list.
Oh, let's have a look because we argue
Some
about what he's
peppers.
called, don't we? He's either chick egg or egg chick. He's egg cheek.
Egg cheek. Egg cheek. She goes in the line. She doesn't come with any set.
She came with your magazine, didn't she?
Yes, she doesn't go with a set though.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot.
They still
I
got
didn't
some.
review this one, did I?
No, that's fine.
There's a little Shopkins sign.
And it's a little egg, isn't it?
Let's pick that. Can you see it?
Yeah. Lovely. You've only collected a few, haven't you? You've only started collecting.
Yeah, but there's loads here. And this one's from Petkins. I don't know his name.
Oh, I'll have a look for you now. Is it maple? Oh no, show me
It's
it
sour
then.
and sour.
Is it Jilly Jam?
It's a dog with tomatoes on it.
It's Jilly Jam.
Jelly jam. This one's jelly jam. It doesn't come with a set.
It's Petkins, isn't it?
Petkins. I realise you only get like Petkins and magazines, don't you?
No. Oh, what's this one? Brenda.
Blender.
Blender.
I'm blending.
Line her up then.
There's a little Shopkins sign.
Lovely.
There you go. Blender, was you gonna blender this?
You can't have any more left.
There's one left.
A piano.
And then after this one, we got the magical mystery ones.
Ooh.
This is
piano, grand piano, isn't it?
yes, a grand. I think it's Mr. Piano.
Oh, there we go. Put him by your piano set. Jump out your hand.
Yes, you are very mean. I think we should like put it in there. Now the special mystery ones.
Oh, what are these mystery ones then? A season 2 and a season 4, is it?
Yeah, and they're ultra rares.
They're ultra rares. Oh, what are they then?
They're...
What's that one? Oh, that one's a hat, isn't it?
Yes.
And
It's
what?
Fashion Spree.
It's from, sorry?
Fashion Spree somewhere.
Fashion Spree.
Which one's Fashion Spree?
We'll have a look now, shall we?
Yeah.
It's called Woolly Hat. And it's a green, so it's just rare. So that's a rare one. But what do you have in the other one? No, that one's rare. What do you have in the other one? That's an ultra rare one, isn't it?
Yeah, these are the special
That's a
ones.
cute boot, it's called. And that's ultra rare. Show me them then. Show us them.
Dun, 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 dun. So I
Wow.
always do that.
Put them in your line then.
I got a special thing for them.
Oh, there we go.
Dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.
Oh, thank you for sharing your Shopkins with us.
You're welcome.
What do you say to everybody?
Thank you for watching this video. Bye.